mga be, welcome to my mini vlog at ito ang atake natin for today's video. Say hi po!
Hi po!
Hello mga be, samahan niyo ko at dadalhin ko kayo sa Pugpog Bikers Highlanders. This is my first time here. Kaya naman hindi natin palalampasin na hindi ito i-share sa inyo. Sa pagpasok pa lang ng entrance sa right side, makikita mo na agad ang bar and grill where you can eat your breakfast, your lunch, your snacks, your dinner, and name it, you'll have it. Isa rin sa napansin at nagustuhan ko rito ay ang kanilang mga waitresses at waiters na talaga namang approachable and they will make it sure na welcome ka sa place na to. As you can see, naka-uniform pa sila at very professional. Okay din naman ang cleanliness at ang hygiene.
Ito, fries, chicken wings, tapos may medyo iba.
Yan. Yun eh. You must try this one mga be. Tama-tama ang lasa, hindi salty at ito naman kanilang pansit ay very flavorful. Talaga naman sasabihin mo, rice please. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, name it and you'll have it.
Magpapahingi kayo. Baka naman, para mapasok natin.
Walang pinipili ang place na to for families, friends, singles, couples, riders, vloggers, broken-hearted, in love. At dahil bar and grill nga ito, ay you can enjoy the DJs at night where you can jam and enjoy their acoustic music. Hindi ko rin naiwasan na hindi mapansin ang kanilang comfort room. Everywhere makikita mo mga signage nila about coffee. OMG, look at this. Maghuhugas ka lang ng kamay pero ganito kagandang nature yung nasa paligid mo. So, parang gugustuhin mo na lang na maghugas ng mayat maya pag ganito ang paligid mo. O, diba? Mega vlog talaga ang venue. Hindi palalampasin kahit CR to. In fairness sa comfort room nila, kahit naman maraming tao, ay talagang malinis pa din. Mga be, ito yung pinaka-exciting at kinikilig na part. Kanina sa right side, ang bungad ay ang bar and grill nila. This time, sa left side, dun sa kanilang wall, ito agad ang makikita nyo. Diyan may little house na napapaligiran ng flowers where you can take pictures. Ay sus! Ay sus! Talaga pumorma pa talaga! Ako talaga photographer mo? Posing na! Posing! House! Oh, it's a house? Wow! Wow! Hi! Tutuwa siya. Thank you, Lala, for bringing me here. I really do appreciate it. I love you.
Ganda.
Let's go to.
Hindi po, baka po yan.
Sorry na agad, nandun ka.
Hello po. Hello po.
Breathing with this wonderful place. Learning to breathe again. Inhale peace, exhale everything else. This place reminds me to slow down. And I really need this pause. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo mga be para lang makasagap ng sariwang hangin dahil meron dito yan sa Bulacan, Angat, Pugpog Bikers Highlands. Basta mga be, hindi ko talaga ma-explain ang feeling na para kang nasa Tagaytay na para bang meron kang ka-date at kasama. Charot. Kaya ikaw, oo ikaw, kung worn out ka na, tired, exhausted, stressed, abay, this is the right place for you. Hindi na lang yung puro ka na dyan sa loob ng bahay, nagpapakananay, trabaho ng trabaho. Aray ko be. Actually, guilty ako dyan. I'm one of those. Sometimes I forget how strong I've been. There were days I was running on empty, tired, worn out, carrying responsibilities no one else could see. I showed up anyway. I kept going anyway. Not because it was easy, but because I had to. Being a mother, a single mom particularly, means putting yourself last so many times that you almost forget who you are outside of it. But somewhere along the way, I realized something. We only live once, and this life is not just about surviving. It's not just about sacrifice. It's not just about being strong for everyone else. It's also about being happy. It's about trying new things even when you're scared. It's about standing in a beautiful place, taking a deep breath, and remembering that you are more than your struggles. It's about allowing yourself to feel joy without guilt. Yes, I am a mother, but I am also a woman with dreams, a heart that still hopes, and a soul that still wants to explore.